Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome to our second lecture of Tafseer-e-Quran. In this lecture we will be learning present and future tenses, passive voice for present and future tenses and words for subjects. You can find notes for these lectures on our website. Search for Tafseer-e-Quran 20 Days Challenge and click on the first link, or click on the link in our description. So without any further delay, let's hop on to our second lecture. Present tenses and future tenses for words in the shape of
يفعل.
In Arabic we write present and future tense using the same word. Now the question is, how do we understand when it is present and when it is future? The answer is that we will understand by reading the whole sentence in the Holy Quran. To convert past tense into present tense, we just have to follow some rules. Those are: first, add as the first letter in the past tense. Second, add sakin to the second letter. Third letter can be zir or zabr or pesh depending on the word. Lastly, add pesh on the fourth letter. If a four-letter word is such that the first letter has a zabr, second letter has a sakin, third has either a zir or zabr or pesh, and the fourth, last letter, has a pesh on it, then it becomes a future or present tense.
يزرب.
He beats or he will beat.
ينصور.
He helps or he will help.
يسمع.
He listens or he will listen.
يسجد.
He prostrates or he will prostrate. These are some of the examples. We will learn the rest of the words in our Arabic vocabulary lecture. If you don't understand something, then don't worry, you will get it as we move on. Here is a small summary about tenses. Passive voice for present and future tenses
يزرب.
is used to define an action a person did in the present or future. What if the action happened to him? For that we follow two rules. Rule 1. Add a pesh on the first letter of the word, and Rule 2. If third letter contains a zabr, then make it zur, or if it contains a zur, then make it zabr. For example, Yuzrabu. He is beat or he will be beat. Yuzrabu. He is helped or he will be helped. Yazmu. He is listened or he will be listened. Doer of action, subject. A subject is the part of a sentence that contains the person or thing performing the action. What we have learned so far is something someone is doing in the past, present or future. But what do we call the one who is doing that, and how do we call or pronounce it? If a word in past tense is in the shape of
فعل.
that is 3 letters word, or if a word in present tense is in the shape of
يفعل.
that is 4 letters word, then the word for the action doer will be in the shape of
فاعل.
For example,
ناصر.
helper or one who helps.
قاتل.
Murderer or one who murders.
سامع.
Listener or one who listens.
ساجد.
Prostrator or one who prostrates.
حاسب.
Calculator or one who calculates. Feminine, subject. The words mentioned before are used for doers of action who are male. How do we write them for females? For that we just add a ta at the end. Note that ta is silent.
قاتلة.
Female murderer or one who murders.
سامعة.
Female listener or one who listens.
قاتلة.
Female prostrator or one who prostrates. Congratulations! You have completed your second lecture. Revise thoroughly what we have taught you above. These are not all the words in the Quran. These are a few words we have chosen as an example so that you can have a know how they are used. You can access notes for these lectures from our website, Tafseer-e-Quran 20 Days Challenge. Link in description.